Right then. Another Christmas Eve. Another local session at Moses Gate in Farnworth. It's become somewhat of a tradition for me to come here on Christmas Eve. I think I did it last year, the year before. I pretty much always do Moses Gate in Farnworth around Christmas. Mostly on Christmas Eve. So, we're going to do a double header today, Moses Gate and Farnworth. So, we've got just under half an hour here and just under half an hour in Farnworth. So, yeah. Let's see what turns up. Yeah, I've just seen one of the minibuses. So yeah, there's a route round here, the 521, which operates usually a little tiny bus. And yeah, I've seen one before and it was a relatively normal bus, but a minibus has just gone across the top there with the wrong sign on it. So yeah, this is Moses Gate. We have been here a few times. Located relatively near Moses Gate Country Park, which is a pretty nice place. And yeah, here we are. Still waiting the first movement, because there's nothing due till Stalybridge to Southport at 13:10. And there's no display boards here, so the only way I can keep up with the time is to look on my phone. Alright then, so you might be able to see the train down there. If you've got a good enough zoom on your camera, you could zoom in and see Farnworth Station, which is the other station. I've got a picture here, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. But that is Farnworth Station, which is our next destination. Right then, coming in now is a Class 150-1 bound for Southport from Stalybridge. And it is finally our first movement of the day. I was wondering when it'd turn up. Northern today have got a lot of cancellations planned, but both of the Stalybridge Southports are scheduled to run, as far as I'm concerned. So we've got a 4-car train here, and it is 150-122, still in the GWR livery. Well, technically speaking, it was the first Great Western livery because the GWR one's green, but yeah. 150-122 and a 156 on the rear, which number we shall find out any minute now. Look at this then. A 4-car train takes up the entire station. So anyway, off out now is 150-122, 156-429. Bound for Southport. And we've got our first action of the day as well. We've got a flying 156, which I think's on the Southport to Alderley Edge service. Here's the first Dewey of the day. Absolutely flying through. 331 or 1. I think we'll have a look. Yep, 331 or 11. Coming up now is a 150-2. I can get down for a shot of this. The last time I did that was on the Virgin Trains diversions when they was running. 156 as well to keep it company. 142051. Coming in now is a 319. Look, speeding through now. They're not going to be around much longer either. Oh, just a quick update as well, guys. If I don't get a news video in this month, it's because I've left it till the last minute again. It's a very busy time of the year, is the Christmas period. And yeah, not had time to do a news video yet, though I do have stories. including one that involves the paces. I'll try and get it in. I will try and do one by the end of the month. That's if I do get time. If not, might give you 2 in January. Coming through now is a class 158. Oh, no, I'll not get down for this one. Oh yeah, you don't get many 158s through here. Got a bit overexcited there and over at 153. I've seen pretty much everything already here. Bound over for Manchester Oxford Road, 331 Top variety today here. Top variety. This station's definitely got fans. Yeah, Wealdstone Raider. I've come across it before, but remember when Wealdstone Raider made a Christmas song in 2014? It was going for Christmas number 1. Oh, it was ace. It was ace, Wealdstone Raider. You've got no fans. You've got no drown. Yeah, he's ace. Gotta love the Wealdstone Raider. You want some? I'll give it you. That's the last I'll mention of Wealdstone Raider now, but yeah, he is an absolute legend. Yeah. Right, coming up now is a class 150. We're still here. I don't think we're going to get too long in Farnworth at this rate. Next stop for that is Bolton, as is everything here. Alright then, that is all today from Moses Gate. We're not going to get as long in Farnworth as I wanted to get, but yeah. I don't think we got long here last time round. So we've got 150, 148. I think I said 140 there then for a minute. 150, 148 bound for Staley Bridge. Just going to get this on the short journey to Farnworth. Yeah, Moses Gate wise, we're North West Trains got a 390 out, but the video isn't finished yet, so we'll see you in Farnworth. 150, 148. It's probably the quickest journey you'll ever take. 150, 148 now, leaving Farnworth bound for Staley Bridge. As you can see, the vantage points on platform 1 are nowhere near as good as what platform 2's are. Now this is my secondary local station and the sign's broken down there because there's definitely service. Definitely service is scheduled. Look at this then. Ashton. If that was a cappella Rachel announcing that, she'd just say Ashton and the time. Now we've got a very slow 319. It's going to come into a stop because it's a red signal. So it's going to be coming to a stop. Got some drama already here in Farnworth, as it is a red signal. Oh, that's because my train will be stopping in Kersley, so it'll probably have to wait here. It's a bit line clearance because Kersley as well is only just up the road. Well, the track really, and it's not. What the hell was that? Yeah. Coming through now anyway, it's 319-370. Alright, must be getting its signal clearance. It is now a yellow, so we will be heading through. 319-370, Manchester Victoria bound. Again on a cappella Rachel, There was a brief time at my station when she said Manchester Victoria Toria, because she says whatever's displayed, and it usually has Manchester Vic displayed on it. The time it had Manchester Victoria displayed on it, she said Manchester Victoria Toria. But this place is Celia. Anyway, let's film the few movements we're here for. So yeah, that's new and all. The announcement isn't, but that is relatively new.
Scheduled to stop at this station.
Didn't get all of that there then, but the announcement's quite quiet here as well. But yeah. Is this the TP we've been waiting for ages? The 350s must have gone. They must have all just gone, because the last 3 times I've seen this, that's been a 195. 195, 147, and it's been come back to Manchester Piccadilly. 350s must have gone though. And the 397s, there's not many out in service at the minute. They're not even all ready for service yet. So they're going to be very busy. Rochdale must have had our treatment then. These must be put 158s now as well. Because it's a double set, this one. 158, 787. 15909. The drum machine train. Coming now is a peso. 150, 151.16, and that is it for today. Again, sorry we wasn't at Farnworth for massively long. We was delayed and a bit busy tonight, so I've got to get back. But yeah, this is it for today at Farnworth Station and Moses Gate. Before I go, I just want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Enjoy yourselves over the festive period. And yeah, this is it now from me until probably the 27th and maybe the Saturday. So yeah, Merry Christmas guys. Have a good one. North West Transport 390 out.